Hello students, welcome to Royson Creation YouTube channel. In this video, let us continue learning the answers of Maths Model Question Paper 2022 by Sslc Board. In our last video, I have answered question number 1 to 24. Please watch. I given the link of that video in the description box and comment box. Fifth main, answer the following questions. So here 9 questions are there. So each questions carry 3 marks. So totally 27 marks for this main. 25th question. Prove that the tangents drawn to a circle from an external point are equal. So here they asked theorem for 3 marks. So don't forget totally for 8 or 9 marks. So in this question paper they asked for 9 marks. 1 marks for statement in the second main and 3 marks in fifth main and 5 marks in last main. So don't forget, if you learn theorem, you will get 8 to 9 marks. So 25th question, find the mean of the following data by direct method. So they have given the class interval and frequency. So by direct method, you have to find out the mean. So class interval 10 to 30, 30 to 50, 50 to 70, 70 to 90, and frequency also they are given 2, 6, 10, 12. So now we have to find out mean. So first write the table class interval and frequency Fi. So you add it everything 2 plus 6 plus 10 plus 2. So together we should add, we will get 20. So first what we should do, we have to add. Then we should find out xi. So how we are going to find out xi means the middle term. So here you consider the class interval 10 and 30. In between 10 to 30, which number will come? 20. So otherwise if you are having doubt, 10 plus 30 you will get 40. So 40 by 2 you will get 20. So exact middle term you are going to get, that we are considered as a xi. So 10 and 30, in between that we will get the middle term is 20, and 30 to 50, 40, 50 to 70, 60, 70 to 90, 80. So we find out xi also. The next one is fi and xi. That means we should multiply frequency and the middle term. So fi and xi we have to multiply. So 220 is a 40, 640 is a 240, that means 6 4 is a 240. So here 6 1 is 6, so 0 0, so 600, 2 into 80, 160. So now we should add everything, total we should make it, that is sum of, we have to summation fi xi is equals to 1040. If you are adding these numbers, we will get 1040. So we should find out the mean. So mean is equal to summation of fi xi divided by summation of fi. So summation of fi xi value how much? 1040. Write it, 1040 divided by 20. So 0 0 get cancelled. So 2 1s are, 2 5s are, so 2 2s are. So 52. Therefore mean is equal to 52. Here also there are 2 questions. We have option. Another what is that? Find the mode of the following data. So here they have given class interval and frequency. So observe that. So what they asked? They asked to find the mode of the following data. So for mode we have direct formula. Mode is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 whole divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So here L means lower limit of a class interval. See here the lower limit of a class interval is 3 and F0 is the frequency of a lower limit, that is 6. So here F1 is 9, that means the frequency of the data, and F2 is the frequency of a higher limit, and H is the size of the class interval. So H is the size of the class interval. So what is the size of the class interval? Size of the class interval is 2. So we will consider H is equals to 2. So now we should substitute all the value in the formula. So mode is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So now substitute all the values in the given equation. So what is the value of L? 3 plus F1 is 9 minus F0 is 6. That means the frequency of the lower limit is 6 and divided by 2 into F1 means the frequency of the model minus 6 minus 2 into 2. So now we should subtract and we should multiply. What is there that you have to do it? So 3 plus 9 minus 3 is 9 minus 6 3 divided by 9 2 is 18 minus is there, so we should add, so minus 8 into 2. So 3 plus 3 divided by 10 into 2. So 2 1s are 2 5s are, it will become 2 1s are 2 5s are. Otherwise 3 plus 3 2s are 6. So 6 divided by 10, that you can write it in the decimal form 0.6. So 3 plus 0.6 is equal to 3.6. Therefore, the mode of the given data is 3.6. So one thing you have to understand. So particularly you can observe that in this question we have two options, whether mean they will ask direct method or they will ask mode. So two questions 100% will be there, that is for the choice. So don't neglect, it is very easy concept. 27th question. Evaluate 4 sine 30 plus tan 48 into tan 42 degree minus 3 tan 45. So if you know the trigonometry table, it is very easy to find out the solution, because just we have to substitute the value, that's it. So write the question. 4 sine 30 degree plus tan 48 degree into tan 42 degree minus 3 tan 45 degree. So 4 as it is, you write it, 4 into, what is the value of sine 30? Sine 30 value 1 by 2, just you substitute 1 by 2 plus tan 48 into tan 42 degree, we should write it as tan of 90 minus 48, because 90 minus 48 means we will get 42. Why I made like this means because here tan 48 is there, here tan 42 is there, means it's difficult to do the problem. So instead of that, I am converting tan 42 into 90 minus 48. Otherwise you can convert tan 48 also, both also it's correct. You can change tan 48 or you can change tan 42. So here I am making tan 42, I have written as tan of 90 minus 48 minus 3 into tan 45 value 1. So 2 1s are 2 2s are. So therefore I got the answer 2. So 2 plus tan 48 degree into tan of 90 minus 48, that means tan of 90 minus theta equal to cot theta. We have that formula. So tan of 90 minus theta is nothing but cot theta. Tan of 90 minus theta is nothing but cot theta. So in the theta place, what value is there, that you should write it. Therefore cot 48 minus 3 1s are 3. So 2 plus tan 48 into cot 48, we can write it as 1 by tan 48. So 1 by tan 48 minus 3. So tan 48 get cancelled. So the remaining is 2 plus 1 minus 3. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 minus 3, 0. So here also there are two options, whether you can attend that one or another one question is there. 6 cos 60 degree minus sin 30 degree plus sin square 45 degree plus cos square 45 degree. It's very easy. So write the question. 6 cos 60 degree minus sin 30 degree plus sin square 45 degree plus cos square 45 degree. So here you can observe that sin square 45 degree plus cos square 45 degree is nothing but sin square theta plus cos square theta. You know the value. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to always 1. So substitute here. 6 into, what is cos 60? Cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2. So 6 into 1 by 2 minus tan 30 degrees 1 by 2 plus sin square 45 degree plus cos square 45 degree. You can write it as 1 because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So therefore 2 1s are 2 3s are. Therefore 3 by 2 minus of plus 1. So if I am taking LCM, because here 1 is there, so I should take LCM. So if I am taking LCM, 2 will be the denominator. So I got it 6 minus 1 plus 2. Therefore 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. So answer is 7 by 2. 28th question. Yield of coconuts grown in a village by 15 farmers is as follows. Draw less than type OJ. So we have to draw the less than type OJ. They have given the question, number of coconuts column is there and cumulative frequency is there. Here less than 50, less than 75, less than 100, less than 125, less than 150, less than 175, less than 200. So the frequency also they have given. So first I am taking here x-axis and y-axis. So here they asked you to draw the OG. So x-axis I am taking less than 50. Just I am taking 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200. In the y-axis the frequency as it is I am taking. So now here we have to draw the graph. So here I am taking in the x-axis I am taking the yield and in the y-axis I am taking the frequency. So you make the graph properly. 50, 75, 100 the same as it is I am taking x-axis, that you mark in the x-axis, and in the y-axis you mark the frequency. So here in the 50 how much is there? 2 is there, so you mark it 2. In 75 4 is there, you mark it in the 4, and in 100 we got it 9, so mark it properly. Then 125 10 and 150 11 and 175 13 and 200 15, so mark it properly. And now you join the line. So here in this graph I am taking the scale is very important, don't forget. So x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 25 yield I am taking. In the y-axis I am taking 1 centimeter is equals to 2 frequency. For each 1 centimeter I am taking the 2 frequency. So here you line join all these things. So I got that I got the middle term, that is 92.5. So like that we are going to mark the less than OG. 29th question. The slant height of a frustum of a cone is 4 cm and the perimeter of its circular ends are 18 cm and 16 cm. Then find the curved surface area of the frustum of the cone. So here read the questions properly and you understand. So there the height of the frustum of a cone they have given, that means length they have given 4 cm, and along with that they have given the perimeters of the circular ends. Both the circular ends they have given, one is 18 cm, another one is a 16 cm. So that means perimeter is nothing but we know that 2 pi r. 2 pi r they have given. So here write it 2 pi r1, because here 2 circular ends, so I have considered r1. So 2 pi r1 is equal to 18. Another one circumference also is there, that is 2 pi r2 is equals to 16. So now I have to find radius. So r1 equal to 18 by 2 pi. At the same time r2 is equal to 16 by 2 pi. So r1 is equal to 2 ones are 2 nines are, therefore 9 by pi centimeter, and r2 is equals to 8 by pi centimeter. So now I got length and I got r1 and r2. So now we have a formula, curved surface area of the frustum of a cone, because they asked we should find out the curved surface area of a frustum. So we have direct formula, curved surface area of the frustum of a cone equal to pi of r1 plus r2 into L. So just write it, pi into what is r1, 9 by pi plus 8 by pi into 4. So therefore here both the denominators are same. So directly we can add the numerator. So pi into 9 plus 8 divided by pi into 4. So pi get cancel. Pi enagutte cancel agutte. So 9 plus 8 how much is there? 17 is there. So 17 into 4 agutte. So therefore 17 into 4. 17 4s are how much? 68. So curved surface area of the frustum of a cone is equal to 16 centimeter square. So like that, first you consider length they have given, 2 perimeters of the circle also they have given. So consider 2 pi r1 and 2 pi r2. So then easily you will find out r1 and r2, then substitute in the given formula. So you will get the curved surface area of a frustum of a cone. So here also they have given option. We have 2 questions. In that you have to select any one. A toy is in the form of a hemisphere surmounted on a cylinder of height 10 cm as shown in the figure. If the radius of the cylinder is 3.5 cm, find the volume of the toy. So see the figure. So here there is a hemisphere. It is surmounted on a cylinder of the height 10 cm. Here the height of the cylinder is 10 cm. They have given in the figure. If the radius is 3.5 cm, what is the volume of the toy? So first we have to find out what are the data they have given. So here they have given cone and hemisphere. See, if you will see the figure, you will understand here there is a cone along with cylinder. So they have given what is the height of the cone. Height of the cone is 10 cm. Write it, h equal to 10 cm and r equal to 3.5 cm. Even hemisphere's radius is also same, that is 3 cm. So now we have to find out volume of the toy. So volume of the toy is equal to, here you observed in the figure there is a cylinder and a hemisphere. So if you will add both, we will get the volume of the toy. So therefore volume of the toy equal to volume of the cylinder plus volume of a hemisphere. So ಎರಡನ್ನು add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Volume of a cylinder plus volume of a hemisphere. So what is the volume of a cylinder? Pi r square h plus volume of a hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So this is the formula. So substitute all the values in the given formula. So pi and r both the sides are same. So you can take it as a common. So therefore pi r square into h plus 2 by 3 r. So what is the value of pi? 22 by 7 into r value how much? R value is 35 by 10. Why here 3.5 is there, but I made here 35. Why? Because it is very easy. 3.5 is in the decimal form. I am converted into fraction form. If you are converting into fraction form, it will become 35 by 10. Therefore, it is very easy to divide. So I have converted. So 22 by 7 into 35 by 10 into 35 by 10. Why? Because r square is there. Into h is 10 plus 2 by 3 into 35 by 10. So 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35, 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35. So again 10 is there. So 2 5s are 10. So 2 11s are 22. So after multiplying I got 11 into 35 divided by 10 into 10 into here 2 into 35. It will become 70. 3 into 30, 30. So again if I am dividing, I will get it 7 divided by 3. So 11 into 35 divided by 10 into here 10 is there. So denominator nothing means 1 is there. So take LCM. LCM will become 3 only. So I got it 37 divided by 3. So 11 into 35 into 37. 14,245 divided by 10 into 3, it will become 30. So after dividing, I got the answer 474.83 centimeter square. 30th question. The sum of 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is 20 less than its preceding prize, find the value of each of the prize. So here the total overall academic performance, by seeing the academic performance, they are given the prizes for 7 cash prize. That means the number of prize is 7. So that means n equal to 7. What is the total sum? The total sum is 700. See that 700 rupees they are distributing for 7 prizes. So differences in prices. See, they have given if cash price is 20 less than its preceding price. That means 20 is the difference from one price to another price. That means differences in price, that I have considered D. So D equals to minus 20. Why I have taken minus 20 means because the difference for one price to another price is minus 20. So D is equals to minus 20. So therefore, to find the sum, we have formula Sn equals to n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So total sum, how much is there? 700. So substitute the value. 700 equal to n means number of price, that is 7. So 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 into minus 20. Therefore here 7 by 2 is there. I am taking to the left side. When I am taking cross multiplication, numerator will comes to denominator and denominator will comes to numerator. So 700 into 2 by 7 equal to 2a minus, so here plus into minus minus, so 20 into 7 it will become 140, again 140 minus plus into minus plus 20. So 140 minus 20 means it will become minus 120. So therefore 2a minus 120. So here 7 ones are 7 hundreds. So that means we got 100 into 2. 100 into 2 will become 200. So 200 is equal to 2a minus 120. Therefore 2a equal to 200 plus 120 will become 320. So therefore a is equal to 160. That means 320 divided by 2. That means 2 ones are 2 16s. Therefore a equal to 160. So therefore I got the value of first price is 160. Then they are asking preceding number. Preceding price means we are going to subtract. That means minus 20 minus 20. If I am indina sankhya now preceding number. That means before number we called as a preceding number. So here therefore the value of each of the prices is 140, 120, 100, 80, 60, 40 rupees. Question number 31. Find the area of a triangle ABC whose vertices are A of 2, 2 and B of 3, 4 and C of minus 1, 3. So here they have given 3 vertices, and by taking that we should find out area of a triangle. So we have already formula area of triangle equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So all the vertices, that means all the value of x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 substitute in the given formula, then we'll get the area of a triangle. So here A, B, C, 3 vertices we should consider as a x1, y1 and x2, y2 and x3, y3. So first you write it, x1, y1 equal to 2, 2, x2, y2 is equal to 3, 4 and x3, y3 equal to minus 1, 3. So now we have formula. So write it formula. Substitute all the values in the formula. So half into x1 value is 2. So 2 into y2 minus y3. y2 is 4 and y3 is 3. Therefore 2 into 4 minus 3 plus 3 into 3 minus 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 4. So now half into 2 into, keep it as it is, 4 minus 3 1 plus 3 into 3 minus 2 1 minus 1, 2 minus 4 is nothing but minus 2. Therefore 1 by 2 into 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3, minus into minus plus 2 ones are 2. Therefore 2 plus 3 plus 7 is nothing but 7. So half into 7 equal to 3.5. Therefore area of a triangle equal to 3.5 square units. So by using the formula easily we can find out area of a triangle. So here also in this question also we have 2 options. You can select any one. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line joining the points 6, minus 2 and 10, 8. So just I have taken one line. So here you draw one line. This point I have considered as a 6, minus 2 and D 10, 8. See the question you understand. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line joining point. So here they have joined the line, 4 points they have joined, that is here in between B and C also is there, but I don't know the coordinates, so the vertices I don't know. So now by using the formula we have to find out coordinates of the point. Therefore B of x comma y, because I should find out B and C. So therefore B of x comma y equal to m1 x2 plus m2 y x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So here I have considered m1 by m2, that means the value of m1 I have considered 1 and m2 I have considered as a 2. Therefore substitute the value 1 into 10 plus 2 into 6 divided by 1 plus 2 comma 1 into 8 plus 2 into minus 2 divided by 1 plus 2. So therefore 1 into 10, 10 only, 6 2s are 12, therefore 10 plus 12 divided by 3, 8 1s are 8, plus into minus minus, 2 into 2, 4, therefore 8 minus 4 divided by 3. Therefore B of x comma y equal to 10 plus 12 is nothing but 22, 22 by 3 comma 4 by 3. So I got the value of B. Now I should find out the C. So therefore here I have considered m1 is 2 and m2 is 1. Therefore C of x comma y equal to 2 of 10 plus 1 of 6 divided by 2 plus 1 comma 2 of 8 plus 1 into minus 2 divided by 2 plus 1. Therefore 2 into 10 20, 20 plus 6 divided by 3 comma 8 2s are 16. So plus into minus minus, 2 1s are 2, therefore 16 minus 2 divided by 3. Therefore C of x comma y equal to 26 by 3 comma 14 by 3. Question number 32. Construct a pair of tangent to a circle of radius 4 cm from a point 9 cm away from its center. So here also they asked for 3 marks construction they asked. So don't forget to learn the construction. Question number 33. In the figure ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square of side 14 cm with center A, B, C and D. 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touch extremely 2 of the remaining 3 circles as shown in the figure. Find the area of the shaded region. So here they have given the picture. So you observe the picture. You can see there is a square. ABCD is a square and 4 circle is there. So the center of circle A, B, C, D, they have touched the circles. So here they have shaded. So we have to find the area of this shaded region. So first, what are the data they have given in the given question? We have to find out. In the given figure, they are given the sides of the square is 14 cm. So write it. A is equals to 14 cm. So first you find out area of a square. So area of a square equal to A square. So A is nothing but 14. 14 square is nothing but 196. So 196 centimeter square is the area of a square. So now find out the radius of a sector. So radius of a sector is equal R equal to 14 by 2, that means 7 centimeters. So we got radius. So find the area of a sector. So we have formula area of a sector equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r square. So here we should find out 4 area of a sector. So 4 area of a sector equals to theta by 360 into pi r square. Here theta will become 90 degree. Why? Because here inside the square every side it forms only 90 degree. So we can consider theta equals to 90 degree. So 4 area of sector equals to, that means 4 into 90 divided by 360 into pi value 22 by 7 into pi r square. R is nothing but 7. So 7 ones are get cancelled. 0 0 get cancelled. 9 ones are 9 fours are. So 4 4 cancel. So the remaining 22 into 7. We got 154 centimeter square. This is 4 area of sector. So now at the end I should find out the area of the shaded region. So the area of shaded region equal to area of a square minus 4 area of a sector. So therefore area of square is 196 and 4 area of sector is 154. Therefore 196 minus 154 equal to 42 centimeter square. So like that we should find out. First we should find out area of a square, then area of a sector. So after subtracting we got it area of a shaded region. Fifth main, answer the following questions. Here 4 questions will be there. So each questions carry 4 marks, totally 16 marks. 14th question, construct a triangle of sides 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Then construct another triangle whose corresponding sides are 3/4 of the sides of the first triangle. So here also they are given construction. So if you are taking any other model question paper also, for final exam also same pattern. In 2 marks you will get 1 construction and 3 marks 1 construction and 4 marks 1 construction. So don't forget to learn the constructions. Question number 35. Solve graphically. X plus y equal to 5, x minus y equal to 1. So here two equation is there. So first you find the value of y. So if you want to find the value of y, we have to substitute the value of x. So consider x equals to 0. So x equal to 0 ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So y equal to 5 minus y. So in the place of x, substitute the value of 0. So we'll get y equals to 5. When x is equals to 2, y will become 3. When x equals to 5, y will become 0. The same thing you find out here also. X minus y equal to 1. So x equal to 1 plus y. So you substitute the value for y, will get the values of 5. So when y will become 4, x value will become 5. So when y will become 5, x value will become 6. So find out this value, then you draw the graph. That is very easy. So draw the graph. So scale first, very important, because for scale also you will get a half marks. So x-axis 1 centimeter equals to, I have taken 1 unit. Y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. So in x-axis you take the values of x values. So in 0 mark 5. Next in 2 you mark 3. Then in 5 you mark 0. So then you draw the line, you join all the 3 points and draw one line. Next you take another equation. When x equal to 5, so see the place 5. In 5, what is the value of y? 4. So mark 5 comma 4. Then where is 2? In the 2 you mark 1. So mark it 2 comma 1. And 6. In 6 you mark it 6 comma 5. So this line also you join. So when these two lines will join, it will meet at one point. That means we have a solution, that is when x equal to 3, y equals to 2. In that point, these two lines will meet each other. So this equation is having a solution. So like that we have to draw the graph. Very important. For 4 marks you will get graph. Question number 36. The angle of depression from the top of a vertical tower to a point on the ground is found to be 60 degree. And from a point 50 meter above the foot of the tower, the angle of depression to the same point is found to be 30 degree as shown in the figure. Find the height of the tower. So observe the figure. See, this is the tower. AC is a tower. So we should find out the length of the AC. So here there is a formation of angle of depression, that here 60 degree and here 30 degree. So here they have given the length of the AB. So how much is there AB? AB is 50 meter. That means from the ground there is a 50 meter. So here there is a formation of angle that is 30 degree. So here we can observe that angle of C equal to angle of D and angle of B equal to angle of D. Both are alternative angles. So in a triangle ABD, so now I am considering a triangle ABD, tan 30 equals to AB by AD. That means opposite side by adjacent side. So opposite side is AB and adjacent side by AD. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3 equal to AB value. How much is there? The height of the height from the foot is 50 meter. So 50 divided by AD. Therefore AD equals to 50 into root 3 meter. So I considered this is first equation. So now I am considering another one triangle, that is triangle ACD. In a ACD, tan 60 equal to AC by AD. So we don't know the value of AC, so we should find out the value of AC. So tan 60 is nothing but root 3. Root 3 equal to AC by 50 into root 3. So from equation 1, I got the value of equation 1, that is AD equals to 50 into root 3. Therefore 50 into root 3 equals to AC. So 50 into root 3, root get cancelled. So 50 into 3 equals to AC. So AC equals to 150 meter. Therefore the height of the tower is 150 meter. Question number 37. A train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. Total distance travelled by the train is 360 km. They have given in the question. So total time taken we don't know for total distance. So I have considered as speed of the train is x. So speed of the train is x. Therefore the total time taken by the train is 360 by x. If the speed of the train is increased by 5 km, if the speed increased means the speed of the train will become x plus 5. Therefore the total time taken by the train is 360 by x plus 5. So we got the solution, we got the equation 360 by x minus 360 by x plus 5 equals to 1. Therefore I am taking LCM. So LCM will become x into x plus 5. Therefore 360 into x plus 5 minus 360 into x equal to 1. So I am taking cross multiplication. So 360 into x nothing but 360x plus 365 is a 1800 minus 360x equal to x into x plus 5. So minus is there here, plus is there, get cancelled. Remaining 1800 equals to x square plus 5x. So x square plus 5x minus 1800 equal to 0. So here I am taking factorization method. See, I am doing factorization. So 1800, if you are multiplied 45 into 40 will get 1800. So x square plus 45x minus 40x minus 1800 equal to 0. So here x is common. So I am taking x outside. The remaining is x plus 45 minus 40 I am taking outside. So the remaining is x plus 45 equal to 0. So x plus 45 into x minus 40 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 45 and x equals to plus 40. Therefore always speed of the train or anything we are considering positive, we won't consider negative. So we are neglecting minus 45. Therefore the speed of the train is 40 km per hour. So this question is very important. This question in the last year also they are given for 4 marks. So don't forget this question. Here 2 option is there. Another question is, by selling an article for rupees 18.75. A person loses as much percentage as it cost him in rupees. Find the cost price of the article. So here they have given the selling price of an article and we should find out the cost price. So we don't know the cost price. So consider, let X is a cost price and selling price is rupees 18.75. So we know the formula. Loss is equals to CP minus SP. CP is nothing but cost price, SP is nothing but selling price. So loss equals to cost price minus selling price. So loss equal to X minus 18.75. Therefore, percentage of loss, we have formula. Percentage of loss equal to loss by cost price into 100. So loss, how much is there? X minus 18.75 divided by X into 100. So X into X, X square, it will become X square equals to X minus 18.75 into 100. So X square minus 100X, because 100 into X will become plus 100. So I am taking to the right side. So it will become X square minus 100X plus 18.75 into 100 is nothing but 1875. So X square minus 100x plus 1875 equal to 0. So here I am doing factorization. So 75 into 25 will get 1875. 75 and 25 adding I will get 100. So x square minus 75x minus 25x minus 1875 equal to 0. So here x is common. So the remaining is x minus 75. Here 25 is common. So the remaining is x minus 75. So x minus 75 into x minus 25 equal to 0. So x equal to 25 and x equal to 75. So therefore the cost price of an article is rupees 75 or rupees 25. Last main, that is sixth main, answer the following questions. Here only one question, that is only the theorem. Here theorem will carry 5 marks. So 38th question, state and prove basic proportionality theorem, that is Thales theorem. So don't forget this theorem, they'll ask for 5 marks. So learn and get 5 marks. Thank you for watching this video.